Alright guys, welcome to chapter 1, variables. In Python, variables are like containers that allow us to store and manipulate data. Let's jump right in. At its core, a variable is a named storage location that holds a value. Think of it as a labeled box where you can store different types of information, such as numbers, text, or even complex data structures. Declaring a variable is like putting a label on our storage boxes. In Python, it's simple. Just choose a name for your variable and use the equal sign to assign it a value. All right, let's see how to do it. Okay, just this is my variable. I'm going to give it a value. All right. So I have a variable and that holds a value Steve, and let's see how to print name. And this is our very first program. All right, so we are getting an output here, and that is the variable. All right, so this is how we declare variable, right? And it has different data types, right? We are going to talk about what is data types later on in the video. And there are a few rules when we are declaring a variable, start with a letter or underscore, use letters, numbers, and underscores, and be mindful of case sensitivity. Choose names that are meaningful and reflect the data they store. Uh, as I was saying that in variables we have different data types such as strings, integers, floats, numbers, and the type of variable determine what kind of data it can hold and what operation can be performed on it, right? So this is a string variable, right? This is a string data type. Let me just quickly label it. Sorry, string, string. Then this is age, maybe 26, and this is number, yeah, and this is height, CIGST, 1.8 meter, yeah, right. So, and this is float, right? This is float. Okay, and we have other data types as well, and we are going to talk about that in detail in later videos, right? And today we are going to only stress over variables, right? And now let's see how to print this on screen, right? Print, okay. Uh, Steve was, is, Steve is, and over here, we need to, because it is not going to print the number or float value, so we need to convert that into string age, and this is how you convert number to string, and then Steve is 26 years old. Apologies for the background noise. Years old, and and is okay, tall. Let's see what is the outcome here we have. Okay, I need to give some space. Is 26 years old and is all right. Steve is 26 years old and is 1.8 meter tall, right? 8 meter tall. Right. So this is how we work with variables in Python. And I hope, like, you got the understanding how to work with Python, sorry, how to work with variable in Python. And to sum it up, variables are essential in Python for storing and managing data. Remember, they act as labeled containers, and understanding how to declare name and work with uh, work with them is fundamental to your Python journey, right? All right, let's move on to the next chapter. All right, guys.